Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video we'll be showing you guys how to draw boots. So let's get into it. Alright, so we could start with the opening for the boots by putting in this oval shape right here. Afterwards we'll bring down two lines to start off the boot. Then we could continue on with this line on the left hand side. And we'll round off by the toe area right here. And we'll just continue the shape at the bottom. And then we'll connect it back to the line right here. Alright, nice. We have the shape of our boot. And next, to create the sole of our boot, we'll just follow the same line that we did for the bottom here. Alright, nice. Okay, so to do the lace system, we'll just start drawing in these lines. So coming up with it. Alright, cool. And then we'll add our other line to make it look like a loop. And we'll do that same thing to the rest. So just follow along, guys. Alright, nice. Afterwards, we'll just put in these circles right here for some metal details. So we'll add that to all of them. And we'll also put it on the opposite side of the boot that you could see it peeking out a bit. Alright, awesome. Okay, so now on top, we'll put in the fur for the boot. And just follow along, guys. It don't have to be perfect. So we just gonna have it wrapping around like so. Alright, nice. And then lastly, before we move on, we will add in some boot details. So we'll just start from the toe right here. And you guys obviously had to add this, but we just adding it for a little bit more detail. And as you can see, we finish. Alright guys, so lastly we just go and duplicate our boot layer. And we just go and move it over to the side right here, because you know we told you guys there's gonna be a video on how to draw boots. So we can't be liars now. Alright, nice. And now that it's adjusted, we will just erase the guidelines that overlapping. So just like that. Okay, cool. So with that guys, we finished with our sketch for the boots. Now we're gonna kick it into time lapse to do all the final inking, and we'll be back. Alright guys, so we're back after the time lapse, and you already know, clean. But to be honest, if you walk around in these boots for a bit, it's not gonna be clean. But that is besides the point. because you already know what coming next. Bam! And there you have it, guys, the final illustration. We hope you learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.